Express the sum using summation notation. Use I for the index of summation. Okay, well I know I'm going to be going the sum of I equals something to something else, and I need to recognize a pattern within these fractions. Well, the numerator is a pretty simple pattern, 2, 3, 4, and it would go 5, 6, 7, etc. through 21. So I could actually, instead of starting I at 1, I could say take I from 2 to 21, because then I know the numerator would just follow I. But then I need to figure out how to get the denominator. Well, the denominator, when the numerator is 2, the denominator is 3. When the numerator is 3, the denominator is 4. In other words, it's always 1 larger than I, so that could be I plus 1. So this would be one way to represent my sum. Or, if I prefer, I could start as I originally planned and say, well, what if I instead does start with 1? How high will I go, or how could I express this? Well, in that case, then the numerator is 1 more than I, so the numerator is I plus 1. And since the denominator is 1 more than the numerator, that means the denominator would be I plus 2. And so if the numerator is I plus 1 and I'm going to 21, then that means I ends at 20 to give me 20 plus 1 of 21 as my last numerator. So if I wanted to start with 1, this would be the summation notation. If I just started with any number, such as 2 in this case, then this would be my summation notation.